Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful, very lovely tassels. The pattern is very easy, dear friends. I will show you in detail how we are going to make a perfect tassel. I made in different colors in order to show you. I use glittering cotton yarn, but it's no problem. Any cotton yarn you can use. Let me show you. It's really beautiful. You can use these tassels in many projects, dear friends, ornamenting your garments, ornamenting your house, your tablecloths, anything you can imagine. You can use these tassels. Also ornamenting the bags. It's really very nice. For this project, I am going to use cotton glittering yarn. Any yarn you can use. You can use normal plain cotton yarn, no problem. But in this project, I will prefer this kind of glittering cotton yarn. Also, a piece of cardboard, pasteboard. The length is 10 centimeters. The width is 4 centimeters, dear friends. A scissors and the darning needle we need. It is very easy, dear friends. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much, dear friends, and let's go on how to make this. First of all, we are taking our cardboard, and also we are taking the yarn in our hand. We are going to wrap this around this cardboard 70 times. Dear friends, 70 times we are going to wrap our yarn around this pasteboard. We are doing like this. It can be a bit long, it's no problem. Later on we are going to cut this. Now we are starting wrapping, dear friends. When I come, we are counting this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, we are wrapping 70 times, dear friends. And 70. We wrapped 70 times around this pasteboard, dear friends, around this carton. Later on, since we are finished wrapping, I am cutting this. No problem. Later on we will smooth this, we will cut this. And now I am leaving this one side. I am taking my yarn again. I need some yarn. I am cutting this. First of all, I am taking the yarn needle. I am inserting the yarn into the hole of the darning needle. And then I am tying the both edges. With the back side of the darning needle, I am inserting it here. Let me show you this space. I am inserting the darning needle, pull through the yarn like this. I'm pulling. How much centimeters I want this? I mean, how much centimeters I want this? This kind of I am pulling. I made it a bit long, but this time I will made it a bit shorter. Depends on you how many centimeters you want this. This is enough for me. Now I'm going to cut this. Taking this firstly. We are going to tie this very strongly, dear friends. This is very important. It's like this, very tightly at the top side. It is important. In order to tie this top side well, we have to cut this. Okay, now our tassel is free, like this. Yes, dear friends, very tightly we are tying it. Once again, I am wrapping from the center. After wrapping once again the long side, I am tying once again. It is important. Once again I will do it. It is okay. Now we are making it smooth, like this with our hand. One centimeters below the top, 1 or 1.5 centimeters, that depends on you. We are going to wrap. Now very tightly I am pulling the yarn. I am making it smooth, making it neatly. Now a few times I am going to wrap it around this place. I am taking one side of the yarn very tightly. I am wrapping. A few times I am doing this. Later on, I am taking the darning needle on the yarn. Okay, after taking the yarn in the darning needle, I am inserting like this and from the center. We are doing this in order to fix the yarn. Once again I am doing this time from inside to out. And now from out to inside. If we do this, it will be strong, like this. Later on, with our hands, we are making the smooth, making the beautiful shape to the tassel. Because later on we are going to cut the remaining yarn edges. Here it is not neatly, as you see. I am cutting. Yes, it's been beautiful, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you enjoyed this project. Hope you loved how to make these tassels, and I hope you are going to make beautiful tassels watching my tutorial. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info ring. Please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos. Thank you so much, dear friends. See you in the coming videos.